Hi guys, here I'll be reviewing the Allpowers S200 portable power station. So you can see the specs on the back here. This is a 200 watt lithium-ion battery. Capacity is 41,600 milliamp. Weight is approximately 1.4 kilograms or 3 pounds. There you can see the size. If you have the solar panel, you can charge at 99 watts maximum, 18 volts. USB-C input accepts 9, 12, 15, 20, and 60, so you can charge simultaneously between AC and USB-C, which is a nice speedy charge for 1.5 hours. There you can see the output, 200 watts, it surges to 240, so this won't charge any appliances or anything like that. It's more for portable devices, so your phone, your drone, any types of small media, your camera, laptop, tablets, so great for that. And you can see the USB-C output is 5, 9, 12, 15, 20 volts and 3 amp and 60 watt max. Wireless is 5 volt at 1 amp. So this is the unit here, about the size of a book. So ventilation on the left and right side, nothing on the bottom. There's your wireless pad on the top, nothing on the back. And the front has your AC, your USBs. On the side is your Type-C for input or output. Your DC in, so to charge it via the AC adapter, and then AC out and USB out. So all you do is you long press the power button. I have it on now. There you can see your remaining charge, so 80%, 99 hours remaining, but we're not charging anything. Otherwise it'll tell you the draw and also how much is coming into the device. And you'd long press the AC to turn that on, or long press the USB out to turn that on. So pretty simple to use, nice and portable, great for all your portable devices. It does come with this bag. Sorry, it's a little windy here. So here you can see the solar panels. These just simply unfold, really nice and easy. They can handle raindrops, but just don't make them wet, so they can't be out in the rain. This is a nice little bag with everything, so you can actually put your pack in here. This is where you plug the cable into. It goes just on the side of the unit. There you can see it's charging at 25 watts. So depending on the sun, depending on the angle, pretty nice addition if you're out camping, if you're out remotely, great option. Okay, so that's the Allpowers portable station S200. Great device, great for camping, great for if you're out and about, if you're outside a lot, if you're at your workstation, great addition. So highly recommended. These things are great to have and very useful. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, throw in a like, subscribe if you haven't. Check out my social media and my webpage, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.